Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate rolls at home, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1/2 cup of warm milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Finally, grab 1 large egg and a pinch of salt to complete your list. Now let's get started on the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and yeast. Then add the warm milk, melted butter, egg, and salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place it in a greased bowl cover and let it rise for about 1 hour. Once your dough has beautifully risen, gently punch it down and roll it out into a large rectangle, roughly 12 by 16 inches. Now for the delicious filling, evenly spread your favorite chocolate hazelnut spread across the entire surface. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of chocolate chips over the spread. Carefully roll the dough tightly from one long side, then slice it into 12 individual rolls, each about 1 1/2 inches thick. Finally, arrange your beautifully shaped chocolate rolls in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Cover them loosely and let them rise for a final 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Once out of the oven, you can drizzle them with a simple powdered sugar glaze or simply enjoy them warm. They're perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.